Hi, so we are in Pink Mountain RV Park and Campsite. It's north of Fort St. John. We're around Fort St. John, Fort St. Nelson, I think. Which was kind of our spot. We were gonna try and make it a little further, but when we looked at everything, it just didn't make sense since we got out late yesterday. We figured out last night when we pulled in here, because we had the same problem the night before, where the RV, we turned it off and then it sat there and wouldn't turn back on. So last night we did some troubleshooting and found that the start solenoid, the secondary start solenoid, was not properly functioning. We had thought that it was a safety switch on the steering column, but it wasn't. So they're going to try and fix that this morning fairly quickly so we can get on the road fairly quickly and try to make it to Watson Lake, which is the goal. That's about 8.5 hour drive. We don't like the driving we don't want to drive at night out here, just because we don't know the roads, and we're kind of getting shaken up pretty good, because the roads out here are a little rough, and in an RV and stuff it's a little rougher. But we got here, we all went to sleep about adults went to sleep about 2 o'clock in the morning. Kids went to sleep a little earlier while we were trying to get things started again. But so that's the goal for today, and we're gonna try and get this done, get on the road. See you guys later.
Time's always encouraging. This is really pretty though.
It is very pretty. It's just, 9% grade going down a mountain. That's always fun.
These were the easy mountains.
Oh.
No, I'm just saying, these are the easy mountains. What were the other ones like?
It's a pretty little river. Oh. You don't have the e-brake on, right? And gravel, so we're slowing it down pretty heavy. Our windows are really buggy. So road construction on
This a lot more than I've had to today, but we figured out that the reason we're having intermittent starting issues is because the starter, which I've gone too far and missed, actually has a cap popped off, and it's not supposed to. So I'm hoping that I can tighten that up and use the bolts from the old one to attach it all the way, because for some reason the solenoid on the starter is coming apart.